morning everyone, welcome to another day in Livingstone. We just woken up, got ready, and we're gonna go get some breakfast, some brekkie. Everyone's looking at me like I'm a weirdo talking to myself in the camera, but anywho, so we're having breakfast and then hopefully there will be more adventures today. So I think we're gonna go to the falls today and the market, but we'll see. Got this so far. We're making scrambled egg down there, and then the sausages here, hot sauce. Oh no, the sausages here. Sorry. Just salt, please. Just making my omelette here, so we're waiting. And then there's the pastries yet there, making pancakes. And down there there's yogurts and juice and stuff. That's Amy.
These are a wild Zambian fruit.
What they're called?
Musuku.
Musukus.
The elephants love to eat them. They're soft and sweet in
They
the
look
center.
like passion fruit.
Yeah. Try one.
I don't know. I'm scared. Is it sweet? Is it sweet or sour?
Really sweet.
Okay.
Well, after we excuse me. What does it taste like?
A bit of all mixture of fruits.
Not bad.
No, they're good. Are you making a pancake tower?
No, for the table.
Oh, okay. Why are you not making a pancake tower? With milk? Okay. Nice. Guys, we are now ready going to the waterfalls. And we are all wearing our hot tunas. We're gonna show you right now. Hot tunas. Basically water shoes, guys. We're all wearing the same ones. And we are heading to the waterfalls. So just to make you understand, these are our rooms. And it's about 5-minute walk to the waterfall. So yes, 5 minutes to the waterfalls. Mother being slow at the back. Ma, do you have something to say?
No.
No?
Too hot.
Oh, she's too hot. So I'll see you when we reach the waterfall. So hello. Ma, come. There's no way I'm doing this. I do not want to be eaten by crocodiles. But they have good luck to them. Good luck. Can you hear the water? Oh, I can see it too now. Guys, look at the rainbow. Right, this is David Livingstone. There he is with all his glory. It's a bit sunny so you can't really see it properly. I'll try and get some videos later when we come for sunset. And then you just come through and see the waterfalls, which is completely white. biggest falls in the world. What do you have to say about Victoria Falls?
It's alright.
Yeah? A fact, one fact.
Fun fact, yeah. Devil's Pool, you gotta walk to it. You gotta walk right over the falls to reach the middle of the falls, and then you sit in the waterfall. The best place to sit.
Okay. It's quite a lot of steps, guys. Are you guys getting wet? Woo! The things I do for you guys. It seems it's gonna be a bit wet here. So, yeah. What?
That's me, bro.
That's your name?
Yeah.
Is it, yeah?
Yeah, bro. I should have done sketch, man.
I don't know how many years old.
How many times? You have a knife? No. Okay.
7 years now.
Alex.
Crossing the bridge, guys. So let's go. Last time I came here, I was not able to cross the bridge because it was there. All this you couldn't see it. It was moisty from the waterfalls. You just couldn't walk. If I find some parts, I'll add them now on the side of the video so you can see. Just praying at this moment, trying to pass this bridge. I'm a bit scared, not gonna lie. So I'm not looking down. Just keep going. I am just keep going until so we are crossing the bridge and it's very wet. I don't know where my family is. I probably left them at the back, but hey ho. I need to get content for you guys, so you need to tell us a fact for Victoria Falls.
It's super wet.
No, you said one already. Jasmine, your turn. Fact of Victoria Falls. Zambian side is a lot better than Zimbabwe. There's more actual room. Zimbabwe is just a lot deeper. Thank you. Yeah, Zimbabwe is like this. This is the Zimbabwe side, so this is only in Zimbabwe, so basically so much smaller. Guys, that's where the Devil's Pool is. I don't know if you can see any people. I can kind of maybe see. But yeah, there's also people there watching. Listen, I just know that I climbed over rocks for days. I don't know which point to the falls at once. And I slipped because I was in flip-flops. So when I Guys, we're at the resort and the crocodile's out. Oh. That's why there's a guard there. they only have 2 babies, and apparently they, as soon as they get a little bit bigger, they just get rid of them. They put them back in you know, the wildness.